Amber Heard demands Johnny Depp verdict be thrown out. Aquaman actress Amber Heard's legal team filed a motion to have the verdict of a blockbuster defamation trial against ex-husband Johnny Depp thrown out and the case retried. Lawyers representing Heard filed the motion on the grounds that the verdict that she had defamed Depp was not supported by evidence. They also alleged that a juror had not been properly vetted and questioned whether that juror was even supposed to be allowed on the jury. In a 43-page memorandum, Heard's lawyers argued that the verdict and huge money in damages she now owes Depp should be tossed out on the grounds that during the trial, Depp proceeded solely on a defamation by implication theory, abandoning any claims that Ms. Heard's statements were actually false. The motion also cast doubt on the validity of the jury selection process, pointing out a juror identified as Juror 15, whose birth year was listed as 1945 in court records. The filing argued that the Juror 15 was clearly born later than 1945. Publicly available information demonstrates that he appears to have been born in 1970. The filing reads, this discrepancy raises the question whether Juror 15 actually received a summons for juror duty and was properly vetted by the court to serve on the jury. It appears his identity could not have been verified. If you would recall, Amber Heard has said that she is unable to pay the huge sum in damages she owes Johnny Depp, though she has previously indicated that she wants to appeal the verdict, and to do so, she would need to post bond of full damages. It is likely that this latest motion was an attempt part to evade those requirements and still try for a new verdict.
Okay, so we're still on this matter of is she going to file another appeal or not, and ever since the verdict, her lawyers have been poking around looking for loopholes, looking for ways for them to throw out the verdict, and now this new one, they had to go and do proper investigation on the jury and found out that one of them wasn't born in the year the person was supposed to be born.
Allegedly.
So, allegedly wasn't. And this is just crazy because, first of all, it was about the verdict. Now they're talking about the jury, and then they're saying maybe the normal procedure wasn't gone or wasn't passed through. Now, the question is, all these allegations, do they have evidence to prove it? And if that juror has to be taken out, does that mean the verdict will be thrown out, or it still stands because that's just one out of how many? Like 20 or so of them. It's just crazy, honestly.
To be honest, I think I'm really tired of the way this thing is just dragging, because once I see Johnny Depp, Amber Heard, I'm like,
not again.
Oh, not again.
I swear. I feel like Amber Heard should start gathering Johnny Depp's money.
Yeah,
instead of wasting it on a new trial, just start gathering the money, because I mean, the verdict is out, really. I knew that she was going to appeal. I knew that she's a stubborn goat.
She gets coconut.
She gets the coconut, but not even the good kind. They could have settled out of court, refused to do that, so decided to go into court. So you know what you're going into, right? Again, watching all the videos, her laughing with her lawyer, then remembering she's not supposed to laugh, then doing straight face and all that, like the whole... And then what evidence is it now that they want to bring out now that didn't come out before when they just finished one? Like,
my sister will just keep our fingers crossed and see.
Yeah, Mego, give Johnny Depp his money. Thank you very much.